Eastern Cape are crossing a river in a locked drum, risking their lives in the process. They say they've been forced to resort to the extreme measure because government has forgotten about them. ENCA's Neba Nhlanganiso reports.
58-year-old Daliwe Sulungile, who's living with disability, has lived in Tikitiki village his whole life. He says they have many challenges and there's a lack of service delivery. That's why they are risking their lives to cross the Mzintlavu River.
Endengazi ngona basizo umthetho wethu sizimbacu naba siyavota siqala ngokuvota sigijime ubone ugijima abantu abazosivotisa kodwa no pharmacy nika into zasinokwanto babantwana besikolo bafunda kude bangena kulamanzi kabuhlungu sibamba amazinyo nje.
Mamlungselelwa Mfanekiso says even though she's been crossing this river since childhood, she still gets palpitations every time she has to cross it.
Zininzi ingcinga ezindifikelayo ndingakangeni ndisame kanje ndideske ndingena apha embizeni ndizive nje ndinombili nomkhulu ngoba ndinoloyiko loba kwayile mbiza ngixesha sengenzeka ibhadi iqhume ndimkena amanzi kwayona ngondingene kuyo ingena amanzi kwayile mbiza ndiphuma ndimanzi.
Fuzile Samani is a so-called drum operator. He and others lock people inside the drum and float it over the river with a rope tightening it as a safety feature.
Ndaqala abantu abandizalayo ndakhulela kuyo ke nami ndaze ndayenza ke ya ke kuyenze lento ungakwazi ukugubha uqale wazi ukugubha uqala uveke ukwazi ukuthi ungaweza umuntu ukwazi ukuthi ungaweza impahla ecrossana uleka lo nawe so nami ndibe nale yanto ukuthi ndizomweza kodwa nje iyi-risk leyo nto njengoba nami ndizoyenza kodwa ndibona ukuthi andina choice ndiyithathe impilo yakhe ke kusho ukuthi ndiyibeke ezandleni zami ukuthi ndiyamweza.
Those who are brave enough swim across the river.
Into endala ndikhethe ukuziqubhela embizeni ndake ndangena kuyafuthamiseleka pha futhi kunobungozi kakhulu imbiza ngoba iyakwazi ukuphoncuka kulo mntu akuwezayo ungena namanzi embizeni then boba ngcose ndikhethe ukuziqubhela kunokungena embizeni.
We contacted the Eastern Cape Road and Transport Department and it promised to come back to us in time. But we have not yet had a response. Neba Nhlanganiso, Tikitiki village, Eastern Cape.